Just shoved off from the Falmouth access here on the Susquehanna River, and I'm gonna go up to Conewago Falls here and paddle around the rocks and see what we can find. Let's go. All right, so I'm scraping on rocks periodically. The river right now is at 4.1 feet probably. I've been here when it's been at 3.5 feet, and I've been walking on rocks right here. So, nope, just touched one right there. This is amazing. I can see in the middle. I'm not gonna cross the river. There's a really fast current going down the middle of the river that I can totally see. So I'm just gonna stay close to the rocks here, go in and out of these, see what we can find. We've been here before. I'll link some videos periodically here. Whoa, man. Big bump right there. So I'm close to rocks that I've been walking on before. I mean, I'm right above them. Very strong current, I can see. Like I can see it in the current. There's lots of herons out today. Thought I'd be able to go up further here. I don't really want to mess with this current right here in the Oru. Yeah, so right there, not a big fan of that. I might just head back down here, catch a ride on that current going down. Yeah, kind of made the right call there. Did see some a motorboat actually having trouble getting up that center current there. I'm just gonna paddle around here. Just getting used to filming in a kayak here. I got a good mount here for GoPro and trying to get this all worked out in about 2 weeks here. We'll go out on the river in the Holtwood Gorge here with a couple kayak friends here, Topo Ranger, Lewis, Cole Swanger, and Walter Zolna, I believe, will be on that trip. We're going to check out the islands in the Holtwood Gorge. I don't know. Didn't know what to expect today. Kind of paddling around these rocks. They're formed by glacier whirlpools, just little rocks scouring down across big rocks. Come out around this rock point here and probably catching some of that current here. I'm drifting quickly down towards the boat access where I got in. The rocks out here should be sheltering me from the current if I stay along shore. I think. Like, talking like some kind of a captain or something, but I don't know. You get a feel for it if you're out here, I guess. I guess looks like my best bet. Get a little speed and go through here. Did not need to do that. Got through, but I didn't take that quite right. Took a shot there. It's supposed to be about 97 degrees today, so it's you know, about 9 a.m. right now. Just trying to get all this in before noon. Got the kids off to school and drove up here to Falmouth. Very cool so far though, just kind of paddling in and out of these big dye-based boulders here. There we are, guy. Just want to take your picture. Man, it's really cool looking. How you doing there, bud? Keep an eye on the road. You're ready to go. You're ready to go. Backwards into a rock here. I just don't want to scare him away. He's getting ready to jump. Just pulling his neck down a little. Guess I'm getting a little close. I am literally about 6 feet from him, and there he goes. All right. Oh no, that is not the way to go. I don't know, man. If I had a buddy, I'd try and brave that current, get across the river. It's probably fine, but I'm probably very inexperienced. Don't really know what I'm doing here. Alright, well I don't want to be done today, but I'm like, can't go up north up here very far, and then going south it's just like there's nothing down here. I guess there's power lines crossing, a little abutment there, but it doesn't really seem like there's anything worthwhile down there. Yeah, I was hoping this would be a little more interesting. Maybe I'll take the boat up to Donegal River Park, maybe. I'm gonna dock and see what my options are for maybe jumping in somewhere else here. Booyah. Alright, so new plan. We just dropped in at Donegal Riverfront Park, north of Marietta here. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Calm water down here. Got a motorboat up ahead there that I'm trying to talk over right now, but just paddle up along the river here, see another heron. In the distance there I can see Shocks Mill Bridge. I want to go up to at least there, I think, and maybe up to the White Cliffs of Kenoi. That would be, I think, a very far distance. There's not really a better place to drop in boat access for the White Cliffs. I'd love to see them from the water. So over on the York County side is Susquehanna Riverland State Park, brand new state park, but up here is Shoals Rock. There it is. That, I'll link the video above, but that gave me some dizzying heights. And you could just see how far of a drop that is. I think it's 200 feet or so down a rock face, bouncing every step of the way. But yeah, that's Susquehanna Riverland State Park. Shocks Mill Bridge, and the mouth of the Cadorus Creek is right there too. Again, just because I don't see the huge currents coming at me doesn't mean they're not there. I just don't see them like I did up at Falmouth. Alright, so back to Shoals Rock for a second. We're much closer to it now. But if you go down here, this little island, got another heron out there. Sorry, it is real hard to keep a kayak steady at 20 times zoom. Don't appear to see anybody up on Shoals Rock. This is about as close as I'm gonna get to Shocks Mill Bridge right now. Just gotta make sure I have the gas there, energy to get back. But I am going into the current and the wind at this point. So I think I'm just gonna turn around here and kind of let it take me back to Donegal Riverfront Park. But yeah, it takes a lot to fight the river going upstream here. I think one of these days I might drop a car at Donegal River Park and hop in at Falmouth and just paddle downstream, check out White Cliffs that way, and then get back. So yeah, I'll do a little more 360 footage. I'm gonna move the camera from the back to the front here and see how that works out. I'm about even with Shoals Rock. Here is about as far as I got just past it a little bit, and then you can just tell the current picked up and was pushing me around, and then the wind also. So now I feel that at the back of me, and so I'm just gonna ride this right down to Donegal. Single person out here kayaking, you just gotta be careful, and I have no problem being cautious here. But I head back down to Donegal here. How far up here did I go? All trail, I got about 1 mile, honestly. 1 mile. I was not up at Shocks Mill Bridge yet. Feel like I maybe had a third to a half a mile to go. Right, so I can kind of see the big footer here of the pavilion at the park. Don't really see where I'm supposed to dock quite yet, so I'm going to get over here. Alright, slam on the brakes. Smooth landing. Smooth landing. Thank you so much for watching. This was a fun adventure, testing the limits little by little with the kayak, just getting used to it and trying to push it more each time. So I've got a good trip coming up with Topo Ranger and Lewis and a couple other guys. Hope you tune in for that when it drops, but I'm practicing, I'm warming up. I want to be able to hang with those guys. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when that video drops too. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.